him and Seymour.
Well, that's weird. Seymour's here, but... Go! Go! Touchdown! But where's Philip?
I'm telling you, the Y2K computer's got him. We'll fa-
He's trying to tell us something. Maybe he can lead us to Philip. Should we follow him?
To our deaths, negatory. It's the Y2K trying to lure us into an ambush, and I ain't fighting.
Fetch!
Yeah! You the cryogenicist who called about our son's dog?
You must be the Fries. Yeah, he's right over there.
Sorry we're late. We all got sick from eating bad bologna.
Y2K.